Good afternoon from rainy Stockholm. Yep, it has been a while since we had rain in Stockholm, and to be exact, looking back from my beach adventures, we need to go back to 17th of May when I was in Stortorpsbadet in Huddinge, when it was only 6 degrees Celsius in the air and feels like temperature of 1 degrees. So that was 30 days ago, but today, on this 18th of June, we have rain again. However, we have current outdoor temperature of 17 degrees Celsius and it feels like temperature of 17 degrees. This is the first day since I have started my beach adventures this year that the actual temperature and the feels like are the same. And I don't feel that it's cold. I mean, 17 degrees is very pleasant temperature. And today we are at Stortorpsbadet. This is a small beach in the neighborhood called Stortorp that actually it's in Huddinge municipality. And it took me 9 kilometers to reach this beach from my home, so it's quite near. And the beach itself, it's sandy, as you can see, now mixed with rain. And there is green area as well. There are nearby houses of people that live here. And this lake is called Drevviken, and we have been here before, if you remember, on the other side. So, okay, I'm gonna tell you also that at the shore there is some white material that's unknown. So I will try to go in as much as possible. So hopefully nothing dangerous, because the lake in itself is clean. And I have been swimming in this lake several times before. Yes, actually there is nice rock formation here that I will visit some other day, that stretches from the beach, and maybe we can swim also to there now, because on the other side we have Orhem and Nudist beach over there. So yeah, the rain was needed actually, because it was very dry and sunny for almost more than 30 days. So yeah. All right, let me clear this up. Not sure if it was better or worse. Let's see. There you go. Yes. So we're still going in. I'm not even up to my waist. And there is no one on the beach because it's a rainy Sunday. But I assume because yesterday it was 27 degrees, I guess this was full of people. So today is 10 degrees lower temperature, but still very pleasant. And the water is very warm, believe me. It's probably warmer now in the water than the outdoor temperature. I don't have proof for that, but you just need to believe me. So, all right, now let's dive in. You can see the rain is falling, and we can see also here the rocks. So let's swim all the way to the other side of the rocks to see how it is there. All right, let's get going. This is beach day number 55 also. So let's get going! Beautiful. Oh, it's quite nice to swim when it's raining, isn't it? That house over there, that's out on the lake, they have a giant flamingo. So they have fun. Let's see the beach also from here. There are the rocks over there. So let's swim a bit more. It is deep here, obviously. And yes, I start to see the Orhem Nudist beach. I was there not so long ago. It was like on Monday, I believe. And yes, I will be returning to these rocks here because it's super nice. Much better in my opinion than the sandy beach over there. And it's also closer to the right, to the deep part of the lake. Okay, now I have swam 100 meters from the shore. And obviously I'm swimming with one hand and my legs. But this lake Drevviken is beautiful. Yes. That on the other end, it's the Orhem Nudist beach. So, yeah. And here are nice rocks over here as well. Super nice. Super nice. Oh, we went so far from the shore. I mean from the sandy beach, but we're very close to the rocks here. So yeah, that's what we do here in Stockholm on a rainy Sunday like this. So thanks a lot for watching this vlog today on this 18th of June and my swim in Lake Drevviken. And as I have shown you the Stortorpsbadet, the beach here in Stortorp area in Huddinge commune, Stockholm Region. So yeah, tune in tomorrow for another fantastic beach location on Beach Adventures with Chris. Woohoo!